In this video, I will help you find the best action camera in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5, GoPro Hero 11 Black, best overall. The GoPro Hero 11 Black stands out as the best overall action camera. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, it takes action photography and videography to new heights. One of its standout features is its ability to shoot stable 5.3K video, which ensures that your footage is smooth and professional looking. Additionally, the Hero 11 Black introduces the new features that unlock more cropping and editing flexibility, allowing you to customize your content to perfection. One aspect that sets the Hero 11 Black apart is its 8:9 aspect ratio, which makes it easy to export content for different social channels. Whether you're sharing your adventures on Instagram or YouTube, this camera has got you covered. The Hyper-View lens and horizon lock feature also contribute to the camera's appeal. They ensure that your scenes are level and steady through 360 degrees, resulting in captivating footage that truly captures the essence of your action-packed moments. Furthermore, the Hero 11 Black boasts a 10-bit color mode and increased bit rates, which enhance its ability to handle complex scenes. This means that even in challenging lighting conditions, you can expect exceptional image quality and vibrant colors. Whether you're capturing fast-paced sports or breathtaking landscapes, this camera delivers stunning results. Number 4. Akaso Brave 7 LE, best budget. Now let's shift our focus to the Akaso Brave 7 LE, which takes the spotlight as the best budget action camera. When it comes to affordability without sacrificing quality, this camera really stands out. It offers a range of features that make it a great choice for those on a budget. One of the standout features of the Akaso Brave 7 LE is its front-facing screen. This makes it easier than ever to frame your shots and ensure you capture the action exactly as you want it. Plus, the camera is weather-sealed, meaning you can take it on all your adventures without worrying about it getting damaged. Another area where the Akaso Brave 7 LE excels is in its audio quality. Compared to other non-GoPro cameras, the audio on this camera is surprisingly good. So whether you're capturing the sound of crashing waves or the cheers of a crowd, you can trust that the Brave 7 LE will deliver clear and immersive audio. Navigating through the camera's settings and options is a breeze thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. You'll be up and running in no time, capturing your adventures with ease. In terms of video quality, the Brave 7 LE performs well at 4K resolution. While it may not have the best absolute video quality on the market, it certainly holds its own and delivers decent footage that you'll be happy to share with friends and family. Number 3. Insta360 ONE R 1-inch Edition, best premium. For the best premium action camera, look no further than the Insta360 ONE R 1-inch Edition. This camera is a true powerhouse, offering professional-grade features and exceptional performance. With its larger 1-inch sensor, it excels in low-light scenarios, capturing stunning footage even in challenging lighting conditions. What sets the Insta360 ONE R 1-inch Edition apart from other action cameras is its modular design. You can easily swap out different camera modules to suit your needs, whether you're shooting wide-angle shots, capturing 360-degree footage, or using the 1-inch sensor for high-quality images. This level of versatility is unmatched in the market. The footage produced by the Insta360 ONE R 1-inch Edition is simply breathtaking. It can shoot in 5K resolution, delivering sharp and detailed videos that will impress even the most discerning professionals. The camera also features advanced image stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady footage, even in the most action-packed situations. Not only does this camera excel in video quality, but it also delivers impressive audio performance. It captures clear and rich sound, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the moment when you watch your videos back. The Insta360 ONE R 1-inch Edition is a premium action camera that offers exceptional performance and versatility. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an adventure enthusiast, this camera will exceed your expectations. With its larger sensor, modular design, and outstanding video and audio quality, it's truly in a league of its own. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 3, best Hero 11 alternative. I found the best alternative to the Hero 11 action camera, the DJI Osmo Action 3. As an avid adventurer, I rely on my action camera to capture all the thrilling moments of my journeys. The Osmo Action 3 has quickly become my go-to choice for its exceptional performance and impressive features. One of the standout qualities of the Osmo Action 3 is its robust build. It's designed to withstand the toughest conditions, making it perfect for extreme sports and outdoor activities. Whether I'm skiing down a mountain or diving into the ocean, this camera can handle it all. The battery life of the Osmo Action 3 is also worth mentioning. It has a solid battery capacity that allows me to record for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. This is a game changer, especially when I'm on a multi-day adventures and don't have access to charging options. In terms of video quality, the Osmo Action 3 delivers stunning results. It shoots in 4K resolution, capturing vibrant colors and sharp details. The image stabilization is top-notch, ensuring smooth footage even in the most dynamic situations. Plus, the camera's wide-angle lens provides an immersive perspective that truly captures the essence of the moment. Another feature I appreciate is the dual-screen design of the Osmo Action 3. It has a front-facing screen, which is perfect for vlogging or framing your shots when the camera is facing you. The main back screen is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing me to quickly adjust settings and review my footage. Number 1. GoPro Max Best 360. As an avid adventurer, I can confidently say that the GoPro Max is the best 360-degree action camera available. This impressive camera captures stunning 5.6K 360-degree video with in-camera stitching, allowing you to easily create immersive and dynamic footage. Whether you're capturing your extreme sports adventures or documenting your travels, the GoPro Max delivers exceptional video quality. One of the standout features of the GoPro Max is its ability to shoot in 360 degrees, providing a unique perspective that truly immerses viewers in the action. The in-camera stitching ensures seamless and smooth footage, eliminating the need for post-processing. While the 2D footage isn't as high resolution as the 360-degree video, it still maintains good quality and detail. In terms of performance, the GoPro Max excels in well-lit environments, capturing vibrant colors and sharp details. However, it may struggle in low-light situations, producing slightly grainy footage. Despite this, the camera's overall image quality is impressive and will satisfy most users. The GoPro Max is also packed with features that enhance your shooting experience. It offers a range of shooting modes, including Time Warp, which creates captivating time-lapse videos, and Live Burst, which captures 1.5 seconds of footage before and after your shot. Additionally, the camera is waterproof up to 16 feet, allowing you to take it on your underwater adventures. With its excellent video quality, seamless stitching, and a wide range of shooting modes, the GoPro Max is the ultimate choice for capturing immersive 360-degree footage. Whether you're a professional videographer or an adventure enthusiast, this camera will take your videos to the next level. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.